Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are going to look at 160 Hall Street, Unit 2E. This is a second floor, two-bedroom apartment located in downtown Fall River. This unit has panel floors throughout and tile floor in the bathroom. It's a cozy and quaint apartment. The bedrooms are not too large, would fit a queen-size mattress at most. Here we have the bathroom with the tile floor. This unit does have a tub and shower, as you can see here. This unit has been recently renovated, so there's new paint, new countertops. Here we have the space heater and a storage closet to the left. Here we have the first bedroom, right out here. Fire escape right out there as well. Over here we have the kitchen with the gas stove, stainless steel sink, and some cabinetry. Right to the left is the second bedroom. These bedrooms do not have closets in them, but it does have a large closet immediately to the left of the second bedroom, right next to the fridge. And we have the fridge here. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management, so you do have benefits such as key copying services, payments of rent online, and access to a 24-hour hotline for all repairs and emergency services. Again, this is 160 Hall Street, Unit 2E in Fall River, Massachusetts.